We are officially back in stock. Beautiful, beautiful plush pinks, hunter greens, blacks, purples, turquoise. This is actually a deep pink. It doesn't look it, but that's what it is. We have these gorgeous colors with contrast. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The blush pink, purple, pink, purple, maroon, gold, white. Just gorgeous. And then I have some that I started getting ready for pre-orders that were ready. I gotta do 4 of them to ship out. So yeah, this purple is amazing. This is like one of the top colors that sells, this real purple looking color. Yep. And I have another shipment. I sold out of everything, so I have another shipment of some other things coming on today. But these are some of the new meditation mats rugs. Yeah, guys, beautiful.